Welcome to Auto Info YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the most famous bike of the world, Ducati DesertX. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting adventure bikes of the year, the Ducati DesertX. This bike has quickly become a favorite for riders looking for a versatile, high-performance machine that can tackle both on-road and off-road challenges. But what makes the DesertX stand out from the rest of the pack? Let's find out. First off, the Ducati DesertX is designed to take on the toughest terrains with ease. With its rugged styling, long travel suspension, and powerful 937cc engine, this bike was built to handle everything from rocky desert trails to winding mountain roads. The 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear wheel provide stability and traction, making it a fantastic choice for off-road adventures. But the DesertX isn't just about raw power. Ducati has focused on creating a bike that's both comfortable and practical for long journeys. The seat is well padded, and the upright riding position ensures you won't feel sore after hours in the saddle. Plus, the large fuel tank offers impressive range, making this bike perfect for those long, cross-country rides. One of the standout features of the DesertX is its electronics package. The bike is equipped with multiple riding modes, allowing you to tailor the bike's performance to your specific needs. Whether you're tackling a slick pavement or riding through deep sand, the DesertX's electronic systems help ensure maximum control and safety. Now, let's talk about how it rides. The handling is precise, even when navigating through challenging off-road conditions. The DesertX feels light and agile, allowing you to maneuver around obstacles with ease. The suspension is tuned perfectly for both off-road and on-road use, absorbing bumps and keeping you comfortable throughout the ride. In terms of performance, the Ducati DesertX doesn't disappoint. The 937cc V-twin engine delivers smooth power delivery and plenty of torque, which is especially important when you're tackling steep inclines or loose terrain. The engine feels strong throughout the rev range, and it doesn't feel overwhelmed even when you push it hard off-road. So, how does it compare to its competitors? When you look at other adventure bikes in this class, like the BMW GS or the Yamaha Tenere 700, the DesertX holds its ground. It offers more power and a slightly more aggressive stance, but also comes with a more refined and stylish design. While the competition may have its own strengths, the DesertX's combination of performance, comfort, and tech make it a serious contender in the adventure bike world. But what about long-term reliability? Ducati has a reputation for building high-quality motorcycles, and the DesertX is no exception. With proper maintenance, you can expect this bike to perform for many years, tackling countless adventures without issue. Ducati has also made maintenance easy, with readily available parts and a user-friendly design. In terms of customization, the Ducati DesertX offers plenty of options to make it your own. From adding luggage racks for longer trips to installing new tires for even more aggressive off-roading, there's no shortage of mods that can enhance your experience on this bike. The DesertX is a bike that's designed for adventure, and it delivers on that promise in spades. Whether you're a seasoned off-roader or just getting started in the world of adventure bikes, the Ducati DesertX offers a fantastic blend of power, comfort, and technology. If you're in the market for a new adventure bike, the DesertX is definitely worth considering. Please like and subscribe my channel.